Hey friends, did you know that you can actually connect a mouse, a wireless mouse, to your iPad to use that? This is obviously not necessary because this is a whole touchscreen experience, but if you're using this as your primary device and you're used to having it as kind of a screen experience, having a mouse can make navigating and working for long periods of time so much easier. Let me show you how to connect this Apple Magic Mouse to our iPad. So the first thing we need to do is obviously make sure our mouse is charged and powered up. Again, with this Magic Mouse, the charging port is down here. I know, design flaw. Power that up, and then we're going to click this little on button to green, and that is going to put it in a discoverable state in order to pair with our iPad. Again, same thing if you're using a different mouse. Again, as long as it's wireless and it's Bluetooth enabled, then you should be able to use this exact same process. Let's go over here to our settings. And when settings are pulled up, you're going to look for Bluetooth over here. And then under Bluetooth, we're going to make sure it's turned on over here on top. And if all that is correct, then down here in other devices, you're going to see your mouse populate. This may be the model number. Again, I've named mine Scott's Magic Mouse, so it's able to discover it. Let's go ahead and click on this. And after a few seconds, you can see it's now connected. Now, this is what happens when you connect a mouse. I'm going to move this around, and as you can see, you get this little gray dot, and that is going to indicate where your mouse is pointing. So what we can do is we can come over here. Let me just click on sounds here. And as you can see, as I input the device on that specific tab, it will actually interact with it again, like a mouse is supposed to. So that's kind of a cool feature. Most people are used to interacting with their iPad via touch, but if you really want that mouse experience, this is how it will work. Hopefully that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and then subscribe. Stay tuned. We make a ton of these little Apple tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. See you again on the next one.